The Indian Air Force is currently hitting a critical logistical roadblock that threatens its operational readiness. The immediate problem lies within the cockpits of the aging Jaguar strike fleet. There is now a severe shortage of spare parts for the UK-origin Martin Baker ejection seats. Without these seats, the jets are grounded. This exposes a massive strategic flaw. Relying on foreign supply chains for critical components allows external bottlenecks to become geopolitical leverage. To address this, the Ministry of Defense is implementing a radical shift, moving away from simple procurement toward a total restructuring of the domestic industrial base. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh has set a specific target to drive this change. He is urging private companies to increase their share of total defense manufacturing from 30% to a dominating 50%. This pivot acknowledges a hard reality of modern warfare. National sovereignty is only as strong as a nation's ability to build its own hardware. India is using massive foreign procurement deals as a vehicle for growth. The finalized 114 Rafale fighter jet deal serves as the primary test for this technology transfer strategy. Under the letter of request, 90 aircraft must be manufactured inside India, moving the production center away from France. The mandate goes further, pushing for 50% indigenous content, forcing global giants to integrate local suppliers. This newly built industrial capacity is designed to support India's most ambitious project yet, the fifth-generation AMCA fighter jet. A private sector race is already underway. Consortiums from Tata, L&T, and Bharat Forge are competing to build the AMCA prototypes, with the first flying models expected by 2032. By requiring foreign companies to manufacture locally today, India is training the domestic private sector to design and build the stealth fighters of tomorrow. The modernization effort is simultaneously transforming ground forces, starting with a digital overhaul of legacy artillery. The Indian Army recently validated an auto-laying upgrade for the 105mm light field gun. This replaces manual alignment with electronic, automated aiming, allowing for faster deployment and pinpoint accuracy. These upgrades are necessary as armor columns face the new battlefield reality of cheap, prolific strike drones that can bypass traditional defenses. To meet this threat, the DRDO is mounting 10-kilowatt laser weapon systems directly onto main battle tanks, creating a mobile shield against aerial swarms. Protection against traditional anti-tank rounds is also evolving. The future-ready combat vehicle will utilize nano-engineered structures and advanced composites to stop high-velocity kinetic energy rounds without the massive weight of traditional steel. Supporting these units in contested areas will fall to autonomous platforms like Bell's Vahan 50, a drone capable of delivering 50 kilograms of supplies to isolated forward posts. Modern ground superiority is defined by the seamless integration of these advanced electronics, autonomous logistics, and directed energy weapons. This shift towards self-reliance has triggered a geopolitical plot twist. India is transitioning from a major buyer to a global supplier. Armenia has become a central partner in this new export strategy, investing heavily in Indian-designed military hardware. Armenia is looking to modernize its Su-30 fleets by integrating Indian-made avionics and the indigenous UTAM radar system. Their procurement list also includes high-tier systems like the Akash next-generation surface-to-air missiles and Pralay ballistic missiles. In Europe, Cyprus is showing deep interest in Indian unmanned systems, specifically seeking loitering munitions like the Nagastra 1 to bolster their defense. As this map shows, nations in both Eurasia and Europe are now choosing Indian technology as a viable alternative to traditional Russian or Western suppliers. By solving its dependency crisis through private sector innovation, India has successfully turned internal industrial growth into a powerful tool for global defense diplomacy.